we use the word microbiome, we aren't just talking about the individual microbes. We're actually talking about all of the genes in all of the microbes that are within our gut. And so we call our microbiome our second genome. Now, unlike our human genome, our human DNA, which is largely fixed at birth and doesn't change, we can influence and change our second genome, our gut microbiome. Well, we can change it for the better. There are really simple things that we can do to favor balance and to favor a healthy gut microbiome. But there are also some things that are a part of our daily lives that are not favoring the balance. Things that we do every day that are a threat to maintaining a healthy, balanced gut microbiome. So stop and think about whether or not you're doing things that are helping or hurting your gut microbiome. Our gut microbiome sees everything that our body sees. And these things are going to sound very familiar, but some of the things that threaten a healthy, balanced gut microbiome include not getting enough sleep. Now, I'm sure all of you get 8 hours every night, right? So nobody's got to worry about that. But lack of sleep, inadequate sleep, favors an imbalance, favors a gut microbiome that isn't that doesn't help maintain our health as well. The same is true for stress, and I can tell right now that none of you ever have any stress. So, because y'all are, really happy, you're really lively at 7 o'clock in the evening. So it's obvious you're getting plenty of sleep and have no stress. It also contributes to a less favorable environment. Diets that are high in refined sugars and processed foods. That's another contributor to anything that threatens our microbiome. Well, in addition, antimicrobial products threaten the gut microbiome, threaten the balance. Now, so we've become almost too clean. I mean, our mothers told us to clean our rooms, and here we are 20, 30 years later, and we're cleaning everything to the extreme. So we're spraying our counters with antibacterial sprays. We're using hand sanitizer. And we even sometimes have sprays that go on vegetables and things, and they kill bacteria. The problem with those things is that they don't know the difference between good bacteria and bad bacteria. So they can kill all bacteria, good or bad. Okay? Everything doesn't have to be sterile. And in fact, we're spending less time outside. We're spending spending more time on our sofas. We're not being exposed to many of the elements that help teach our immune system how to behave. And then we're killing off the good along with the bad by some of our daily practices. But you can also change that as well. You can change these factors and then thereby contribute to that favorable, healthy balance in your gut microbiome. Really, a variety of foods in your diets, fruits and vegetables, whole grains. Those foods provide prebiotics. And prebiotics are fibers found naturally in fruits and vegetables and whole grains. Our bodies, our human enzymes, are unable to digest those, but the good bacteria in our gut, that use them as food. That's what nourishes them and feeds them. And we'll talk a little bit more about that later. Excuse me. And just like the good bacteria in our gut love these foods that contain these prebiotics, the bad bacteria in our gut, love simple sugars. That is what they love to eat. So this is a simple change we can make to nourish the good bacteria in our gut. Other things that help our guts are fermented foods, kimchi, fermented dairy products. They also contain good good bacteria. And finally, a really important thing that you can do to help replenish and maintain levels of good bacteria in your gut is to take a probiotic.